Hey, all you tool nuts out there. So I've been looking online for a while now, looking for a nice adze head. Would like to find one with a whole handle and all, but this is what I found here. So this is 4.5 inches across the top. I think I'm going to make myself a nice curved handle with this. Clean it all up, give it a good edge, and it'll be ready for use. And I also found this little tool here. At first I did not know what this is. I've never seen one before, but it does have markings inside whereby it says that it is Eclipse number 77, made in England, and that was an easy search, and that is simply for setting teeth on a handsaw. But then I found this, and I'm not really quite sure what it is. It's pretty heavy steel. It's flat on the bottom. It sits flat. It has a screw on the end here. It's not turning right now. I can maybe with a wrench I could turn it. But a little bit of a scuff sand here, and the only markings I can find are BGD 1917. Hey, if anybody knows what this is, send me a note. I'd be very interested to know what the heck this is for.